Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: a Microsoft 365-enabled Word and a working microphone. Once connected, set the mic as your default in-system audio so Word hears you reliably. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account that has Dictation enabled, then open the document you want to dictate into. Now go to the Home tab. This is where Dictation lives. Click the Dictate button to start the first voice session and speak naturally. Word converts speech to text in real time. Once Dictate is active, adjust settings. Pick your language, enable automatic punctuation if you want commas and periods inserted, and turn on microphone permissions. Speak punctuation commands like comma or new paragraph when you need structure. This helps with editing later. If you want more accuracy, pause periodically and press Dictate to stop and restart, which reduces misrecognition. Make sure ambient noise is low and consider using headphones. This improves signal-to-noise ratio and gives you fewer transcription errors. To finish, proofread your dictated text for homophones and formatting quirks and apply quick fixes with find/replace. Once done, save and consider using styles to normalize headings and lists. If dictation stops or degrades, make sure microphone permissions are granted, your internet connection is stable, and Word is updated. Those are common causes. If problems persist, restart Word or sign out and back in. As a fallback on Windows, you can switch to built-in speech recognition until the service is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.